This is a cool little lesson on combining up the bass line along with the funk guitar line of Uptown Funk. How's everyone doing? My name's Dave Donoghue, the guitar coach. I put up new lessons each week on YouTube. If you want to hit a thumbs up to spread the word about this lesson, or hit subscribe to keep you up to date for future lessons like this. I'm a massive fan of Bruno Mars. Went to see him twice so far. There'll be a third time. Let's get into the lesson. Alright, so here we go. What is happening is the following. I'm going to begin with the funk guitar line. Because it's comprised of just two double stops played over and over. So if you get your pinky and put it on the 6th fret of B, get your ring finger, put it on the 5th fret of G. Okay, now the fingers, this is finger style. The fingers I picked this with is ring finger off on the B string, middle finger on the G string. So the rhythm of it will go as follows. 1 E and a, like that. 1 E and a 2. 1 E and a 2. That's just a brief count just to get you used to it. Okay, you'll play that note pairing twice. You go. Keep your pinky where it is. Lift off your ring finger. And then you have the 4th fret on G. Same rhythm. The tab of this is in the description below as well if you want to download a handwritten sheet of it. So it goes 3, 4. In a loop. And I know these fingers look as if they're doing things, they're actually just muting the strings for this example. Now let's get the bass line. So I'll go like this, I'll play it again. Okay, let's break this down. And sorry, one other thing there, that second note grouping, it needs to be your middle finger and your pinky. So you're actually going to go from here, ring finger and pinky, to middle finger and pinky. Sorry about that, just realized that when I was adding in the bass line. Alright, let's get this bass line in. So it goes. Okay, fingers for the bass line. We 5th fret on A, 2, 3, 4, and hit it one more time quickly. Then we're going to hammer on 3 to 5 on D, and then a quick 3 after that. So we go. Okay, so we get 2, 3, 4. You repeat that note grouping. So that's 5 on A, 3, hammer on 5, 3 again on D. And then we get a 3 on the A string to lead it back around. So the bass line on its own goes as follows. It goes 3, 4. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see, one small consideration is the way that at times I play the bass line with my ring finger, other times with my middle finger. Again, that'll be marked in the tab just to keep it clear. Okay, so to separate out the parts again, we had this. And we had this. 2, 3, 4. Okay, all the parts all together. Good, I'll play it one more time for my own sake too. Alright, so let's join it all together. So get your high notes first. Middle finger on 5 of A. So we hit them all together. Now the difference is with your middle finger at the top, you're going to rest. After you pick this note, you're just going to relax your grip, but these must stay on. So all of them, high notes, then a little thumb slap. The thumb slap generally is aimed to go in between the E and the A string, like that. So you hit all, high, thumb slap. Then you leave out the bass note and you hit the high notes. Okay, all that all together goes as follows. So all, high, thumb, high, high, thumb. I'll do that again. All, high, thumb, high, high, thumb. And there's a little palm mute in there as well. You'll see the finer details as well in the tab of these sort of ghost muted notes as well. So now you hit this 5th fret on A on its own, and that gives her a chance to change our chord shape below to this. So I'll do that transition again. We go, and just keep an eye on this hand especially. You see in that moment, I get those flicked. Okay, so now with the chord shape on, so again that's 6 on B, 4 on G. If you get your index on the 3rd fret of D, and you're going to pick all 3 notes together. And hammer on your ring finger to 5th fret of D. And that's making a G7 type chord. That could take a bit of practice at times, but just keep at it, it would be well worth it. Okay, after you do that hammer on from 3 to 5, you're going to take off the 5 and hit all 3 notes again. And do a thumb slap. So we go. I'll do that one more time. Then you hit the 5 on its own again and repeat that motif again with the chords. And finally hit the 3rd fret on A. And that's it. Now let's get a bit of flow going on with it just so it makes a bit more sense. So I'll play the intro again. And here we go. And that is it. Fun little thing to do, especially having the 2 parts going on at once. Any questions, of course, post a comment below, I'll be happy to answer. And those are the 2 main lines, the bass line and the high line of Uptown Funk by Bruno Mars and Mark Ronson. And the thing was, I use my big guitar. You may, if you watch other videos, you may see I use a Baby Taylor, but this is just so that you can see it is totally doable to get this on a full-size guitar. My main tip will be to keep the thumb lower down. Now, if you feel like giving a thumbs up to the video to spread the word, as I was saying, that'd be brilliant. I think it's a fairly cool thing to be able to combine up the bass line and the high line. Thanks for watching. Catch you soon.